Hello my friends and welcome back. For today's video I have a Korean beauty testing and review video. I was sent a couple of products from Style Korean. I do get some PR samples from them from time to time, and I love receiving these new Korean beauty products because I usually love Korean beauty. So yeah, I'm excited to share this video with you. Now I tested these for a couple of weeks, so I will give you like my review, what I think about the product. First of all, we have the Dr. Jart. This is the anti-blemish concealer. I got it in the shade 2, but you can see it's quite yellow, so I apply it underneath my foundation. This has a lovely medium coverage and a satin, more on the, not really matte, more like a satiny finish, combined a little bit with matte, so you don't need a powder to set it. So this kind of makes it perfect for every day because I don't like to wear a lot of powder for my everyday makeup. And it looks also really natural, not cakey at all. This is a Clio Cushion foundation. This is a ginormous one. You can see the cushion is absolutely just enormous. This is a very dewy foundation, has a good medium coverage, but you still get that super luminous glowy skin. And since I'm going for this look, for this Korean beauty luminous skin look, this is perfect. And also it's great for everyday use because it looks really natural. My 16 brand Mochi Pack, you know that I love this for bronzing. So yeah, since I don't have a contour product from Korean beauty market, I decided to just use this one. Lovely cream to powder texture, blends like a dream, and it looks quite natural. Now I'm using the mineral powder from Innisfree. This is the new version, the moisture one. And basically the difference is that this contains a little bit of, you know, those really shiny kind of luminous particles, but they're very, very small. So it looks just like a diffuse light effect. So I love that. This super tiny blush from Too Cool for School, again cream to powder. I really like this kind of products. Usually Korean beauty market, they know how to make amazing cream blushes or cream products, and this was no exception. Now this one, however, the 16 brand again, Mochi packed in this more like a luminous highlighting shade. I don't like this at all. It looks kind of nice, but has glitter in it, so it's definitely not for everyday use, and it's definitely not my favorite product, and it was kind of hard to blend too, so I don't recommend that one. This is the butter shadow from Apu, and this lovely natural, a bit more of a bronzy peachy shade. Again, it blends like a dream, has a moussey kind of texture, and it just, you know, like a wash of color on the eyelid, and that's perfect. And then on top of that, to really have that wet eye effect, I'm using my Peri glitter shadow, the Sugar Twinkle eyeshadow, and it's super glowy, super shiny. I love this. Now I'm using the Moschino and Tony Moly collaboration eyeliner, super black, really intense, long lasting. I mean, Koreans, they know how to make a good eyeliner, a good mascara, and this was no exception. Brush tip applicator, perfect. My old 16 brand black mascara, still love this. However, now that it's quite old, it's not, you know, it's not as good, so I need to buy another one, but maybe in the future because I do have a lot of mascaras right now, so I don't need a new one. They Keep My Brows from Etude House, an eyebrow gel. It's clear, but you need to wait, I would say probably like 1-2 minutes for this to set, but once it sets, it stays in place, and also gives you that luminous eyebrow effect, which I love as well, like a wet eyebrow effect, and defines them really well. And next, the Clio Lip Tint to create that gradient Korean inspired lip, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me know if you use any of the products, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!